If you're in the die and mould sector, open your eyes to this machining concept. What is it, Tobias, that GROB do differently here?
Here we have the machining concept of the horizontal machining spindle and the table that can swivel around. So we have the chance on the mold flow form here to machine it in one setup. Means we are setting up the raw material, machining the raw and the finishing surface upside down, that the chips falling down, not scratching the surface finishing, giving a high glance surface finishing in the end, and also able to drill from the outside for cooling down the mold for the later on process.
All-in-one setup. Now this is going to be on show at your open house from the 16th to the 19th of April, but what else are you going to show?
Well, besides the mold bottle blow, which we can show live on demonstration, we will also show how a reflector is machined. This is a workpiece that is used in the automotive industry for lighting, and even different products where a reflector is used is what we can show and present on the G150.
How exciting. All of this on show and so much more at GROB's open house event.